What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, and today we're taking a look at this. This is the Lixil Cybercolor for your Insta360, and we're going to talk about that next on Geekazine. So check this out. They have this set up as a handheld unit, but you can put it onto anything that can drive around your warehouse or something like that. This is the LiDAR unit right here, and then from Insta360 we have the RS 1-inch camera here. So it can grab the 360 environment. So what it does is you can walk around, you can drive around, scan your warehouse, scan your parking lot, you can scan a whole bunch of different things, and then basically capture what you've got in the environment, which will then have some sort of AI element to it, so you can check to see how your stock is, how your warehouse is, all through that. It's a pretty cool device, and yeah, it's meant more for the industrial area, but it shows how we can take something like this, which I use all the time, and then turn it into something that can be used to help you with everyday business, and that's pretty sweet. This is the X-Grids from Insta360 Enterprise, and they've got a lot of other cool stuff. You can check that out over at X-Grids. And part of their Lixil Cybercolor is the app right there. Pretty sweet stuff on the enterprise level of Insta360. Of course, we're at the Insta360 booth here. You can see part of it right here as I turn the camera. We're going to be taking a look at some of the Insta360s, see if there's anything new here at NAB 2024. And so check out for those videos. Of course, we have a ton of other videos over at geekazine.com. or youtube.com/Geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, comment, bell notifications so all those YouTubers get their wings. And until next time, thanks a lot for watching. You guys geek out and stream on with maybe some LiDAR, right? LiDAR on? Would it be yeah, LiDAR on. LiDAR on. Yeah, that makes sense. LiDAR on.